One of the goals that we had with the Global Experience Week is to add more context to the learnings that we have across our modules in the Full-Time MBA program. So contextual learning is an important value that we hold at Imperial College Business School. But what's important with the Global Experience Week is to see it in a completely different context in Chile, in companies and industries that our students may not be as familiar with. So why Chile? Chile is a very interesting country for us in terms of its economic development, being one of the most advanced in Latin America, and the way business is done here is quite different from what our students have experienced back in London or in the countries that they're from.
So I didn't really know what to expect when I came to Chile, and I've been really impressed on the trip by the sheer breadth of experiences and insights that we got to have.
We have a lot of classes about how do you innovate and what's the framework used to innovate. Now in Chile, I was able to talk to some companies and they're using the same frameworks, and I was able to get a lot more real life understanding of a project run exactly the way we're taught, but with real life results.
We've seen design thinking in a very hands-on way actually, but it's not until you get here and you see how companies are innovating, and from how a mining company is diversifying to how a forestry company is diversifying, and they're both actually taking the same principles that we've sat in a classroom in South Kensington.
Business schools really help us prepare to be international leaders in the future. And to be international leaders, we have to understand not just wherever markets we're from, but also the world. As business leaders of tomorrow, we have to understand how the world works, the good and the bad, and this trip really helped us to learn that in a very real life context, and that's really valuable going forward.
We've worked hard, we've also played quite hard. We've been to some incredible places in this part of the world. We've headed to the coast, seen a totally different town to Santiago, walked around streets that are full of murals and sat and had wine on terraces in the sunshine. It's been a really special experience.
So the MBA cohort, after a couple of months, is a pretty tight-knit bunch anyway, and it's really quite hard to beat that. However, experiencing something new, experiencing something different in a different kind of comfort zone really helps build a stronger connection that you didn't previously have.
I think many of the students will say that the most memorable time of the program is this Global Experience Week. So we're very happy at both the academic side and the personal experience that the students had during this week. And we encourage all students to think about the importance of this kind of trip for their full-time MBA program.